Oh my God. Oh, it is. Oh, he's big. Nailed the shit out of it. Whew, look at that, guys. Ain't nobody used this boat in a while. We got some dirt dauber nests in here. Clean those out. Oh, he's big. Oh, you got him. You got him, we got him, we got him. Is it a good one? Is it a good one?
Feels like a good one. Nail rig, son.
The nail rig?
The nail rig.
Oh, man. Guys, we have not seen this fish yet. He has not come up yet.
I don't want it to jump because we got a brim hook in here.
Oh man. Guys, it might be an 8 or 10. Oh, it is.
It's a good
It
one.
is. He come off at the boat, guys. That was an 8-pounder. What's up, guys? Today we are doing some bass fishing in the John boat, and as you can see, we're probably going to catch some giant bass because it's a full moon. Let's get to it. That was a big one. 12-pound mono leader. Was that one? Was he on the bottom? Oh my God! Oh, he come off. Oh my God, dude. Dude, that was a 10-pounder all day.
What are you fishing with?
The rip and wrap. I didn't have my drag set. I'm pretty sure I bent the hook out. Dude, he freaking. Oh my God. He about yanked the pole out my hand, dude. You know he grabbed the 1-ounce rip and wrap. You know he was a tank. We both done this big fish today.
Damn, dude.
Oh, there he is. Is he? What the heck? Oh. Is this a monster? I don't know, dude. He's acting like it. Oh. Yeah, dude. I think this is a tank. Oh. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's a tank. I got a braid on here and these tiny little hooks. Oh, he's big. He's big. No, this is with the square bill. The gold square bill.
Oh, you got a netting?
You got a net?
Yeah.
They're trying to wear him out. He's definitely 8+.
Not a very big net. It is a net.
All right, here he comes. Got him. No, I thought it was bigger than that.
Ready to fool you.
Yeah. Check him out, boys. He's a good 4.5. He might be pushing 5. Yeah. All right, boys. We got us a good one. Finally put one in the boat today. He's got him, boys. Is it a big one? Tell me if it's the big one. I'll get the camera out.
I have no idea. They're pulling the boat pretty good, though.
On a boat. Guys, this might be a 10-pounder.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, it's a turtle. A 10-pound turtle. Every time.
Turtle.
Oh, dude. Oh, this is Bertha here. She's swimming for the middle, bro. Oh, man. Oh, she grabbed the ripping wrap. Is that her coming towards the boat right here? On top of water? Yeah, maybe it's not.
That's a dink, dude.
It is a dink. Dude, they fought so good with his braid. You can feel how it, like, feel the full force of him. He nailed it like he was Bertha. And then he just started swimming towards the middle. Another one bites the dust. Did you get a 30 roadie? Oh, is that a turtle? Is that another turtle? No, it's a good one.
Sideways.
Ooh, guess what happened?
He's got another one.
Fishing motherfucker, look behind you. Fucking schools of bass right there just came up on us.
Oh, yeah, obviously know there's a school right there. So you done caught two. What the heck? Oh, dude. Oh, dude. Uh-oh. Well, it was fun. 4-pound line, guys. I got 4-pound line on there. I didn't even know he was on there. Go in the back. Oh, dude. You want me to grab the camera or net?
Short man.
He's a good one. Well, fall bite is on fire. You need to get out and go fishing. Daggum! He's got another one. Is it a tank? It's a good one. Oh yeah, I like this rod.
Oh yeah.
I can feel the bait vibe. Oh, there he is. Doubled up. Oh, he come off. Was doubled up. Oh, the hook's been out. That's what happened with the one I just hooked. Bent the hook out. I was too strong on him. That might have been a big one. Oh, Braid, how I love you. I love you so much, Braid. Where you at, Toady Roadie? Oh, there he is. That might be the big one. That might be the big one. We're just killing it. Killing it. I don't even know how many fish we've caught. That's another 3.5. He got him. That's a good one. That's a good one.
It's bigger than I thought it was. Yeah, oh, he's barely hooked too. But we've got him in a boat. It's a good one.
I can smell him.
Smelling fall, aren't it?
Bye. Well, guys, we have to paddle back because the trolling motor died. Hi-ho, silver! Yee-ho! Yee-ho! If you like this video, hit that thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on all notifications, this little bell icon, and get out and do some fall fishing. This cold front just come through. It's time. It's time. They're about to go into their fall transitions and start feeding, get fat for winter. Get out there, boys.
I might hit the club just to get up sideways.